it's Dr. C, and today we will be going over how to solve word problems like this, especially algebraically. First things first, I'm always going to tell you to like write out what the word problem is giving you. We're going to go sentence by sentence so we can at least see what's being given to us. The first one says Julia is 4 years older than twice Kelly's age. So we'll just make J for Julia is K for Kelly, 2K plus 4. Kelly will just be K. The next sentence distinctly states that the product of their ages is 96. So this gives us K times 2K plus 4 equals 96. Okay, so what we can do from here, we can go ahead and distribute here, and that would give us 2K squared plus 4K equals 96. You can definitely move this over to make sure we can set everything to 0. So that would give us 2K squared plus 4K minus 96 equals 0. All of these look like they're divisible by 2. So let's remove the 2, or divide everything by 2 rather. K squared plus 2K minus 48 equals 0. So now you can try to do what two items would cause this type of distribution, so we can get the solution. So I always look at what, because this is negative, one's positive, one's negative, what would give us 48. So we have 1, 48. We have 2, 24. We have 3 and 16. We have 4 and 12. It's not divisible by 5. And then we have 6 and 8. Okay. So out of these two, which two produces 2, rather, if they were to be one positive, one negative? And the only one that actually would match would be the 6 and the 8. Okay. So we essentially are going to do, if it's positive, that means the larger number is the positive one. So K plus 8 and K minus 6. Okay, equals 0. All right. So to figure out Kelly's age, we're doing K, pretty much moving it over. So that would give us K equals -8. And I'll write it out a little bit differently for you. So K plus 8 equals 0. In order to get K by itself, we'll subtract 8 on both sides. And that gives us K equals -8. We then have K minus 6 equals 0. We add 6 on each side. So K equals 6. Now, someone cannot be a negative number, okay? So the only one that's actually plausible is this K minus 6. All right. My advice would be to immediately plug it back into this formula up here, to make sure that it worked out. So if we said K is 6 times 2, 6 plus 4, let's see what that equals. So 2 times 6 is 12 plus 4. So we have 6 times 16, which equals 96. So the final answer to your question essentially is that K equals 6. So Kelly's age is 6. I hope this answered your question, and I hope this was helpful. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks. Take care.